Close your eyes and picture this: a vibrant village where innovation meets tradition. A farmer installs a solar pump to irrigate his fields. A small town woman sets up a first weaving unit. And a local dairy expands its operation to serve cities beyond its border. These are the untold stories of rural India, the heartbeat of our nation, bursting with untapped potential. But what if you could be a part of these success stories? What if your investments could not only grow your wealth but also empower millions to achieve their dreams? Hi and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about ICICI Rural Opportunities Fund NFO. This NFO opens on January 9, 2025 and will remain open till January 23, 2025. The rural economy is the backbone of India, contributing significantly to the nation's GDP and employment. With over 65% of the population residing in rural areas, the scope for economic expansion in these regions is immense. Recognizing this, the ICICI Rural Opportunities Fund is designed to tap into the potential of rural India by investing in sectors and industries that directly impact its growth. Now let's see what are the rural opportunities. First, agriculture evolution. With the advancements in technology, rural India is moving beyond traditional farming. Precision farming, organic farming, and agri-tech solutions are revolutionizing the sector. Second, infrastructure development. Increased government focus on rural infrastructure, including roads, power, and irrigation, is creating a conducive environment for economic growth. Third, financial inclusion. Microfinance, rural banking, and digital payment systems are empowering rural households and small businesses, fostering entrepreneurship. Fourth, consumption growth. Rising incomes and aspirations in rural areas are driving the demand for consumer goods, healthcare, and education, opening up avenues for businesses. Fifth, untapped market potential. While urban markets face saturation in several industries, rural markets offer fresh and expansive opportunities. Sixth, demographic dividend. With the younger population and increasing literacy, rural areas are becoming hubs of talent and innovation. Now let's talk about some government initiatives that helps in improving the quality of life in rural areas. Rural standard of living has witnessed phenomenal improvement supported by the government, spent around 80 lakh crore in the last decade. For instance, under Housing for All, they have constructed 2.1 crore houses under the PMAYG. Second, electricity. 2.9 crore rural households electrified under Saubhagya. Third, sanitation and drinking water. 11 crore tap water connections under JJM. Fourth, skill development. 13 lakh candidates have been trained under the DDU GKY. Fifth, clean cooking fuel. 11 crore LPG connections provided under PMUY, etc. ICICI Prudential has crafted the Rural Opportunities Fund to do just that. This fund bridges the gap between ambition and opportunity by channeling investments into sectors driving growth in rural India, like agriculture, infrastructure, finance, and more. Now let's talk about why you should consider ICICI Prudential Rural Opportunities Fund. First, opportunity to benefit from the rural theme. They predominantly invest in equity and equity-related instruments of companies following rural or allied theme. Second, potential for long-term growth. They aim to provide investors with opportunities for long-term capital appreciation. Third, broad-based theme. They consider investing in equity and equity-related instruments of companies that have branches, supply chains, sourcing of materials or projects, etc., or any other business activity present in rural or allied segments. Fourth, market cap agnostic. They are diversified across large, mid, and small caps, providing the benefits of different market caps. And fifth, sector rotation. They have the flexibility to change allocation to sectors within rural theme based on market conditions to capitalize on market opportunities. Now let's talk about the fund details. So the minimum investment amount is Rs 5,000. The entry load is not applicable, whereas the exit load, if less than 12 months, then 1% of the applicable NAV. If more than 12 months, then nil. Their fund managers include Mr. Sankaran Narain and Ms. Priyanka Khandelwal. Well, this was all about the ICICI Prudential Rural Opportunities Fund. We hope you liked this video. Thank you.